This Pennsylvania retreat gives you something rare: real acreage, real privacy, and real space. As you arrive at this Richfield property, you immediately feel how isolated and peaceful the setting is. There are no tight neighbors, no busy roads, just open countryside stretching across 16.45 acres of rural Pennsylvania land. The property is made up of a mix of rolling ground and natural wooded areas, giving you both open usable space and private forest sections. It's the kind of land that naturally supports outdoor living, whether that's hunting, exploring, hiking, or simply enjoying complete quiet. From the moment you step onto the acreage, it feels like a true escape from everyday life. The land gives you room to move, develop, or simply keep as a private retreat, surrounded by nature. The home itself carries a strong rustic character that matches the land perfectly. With exposed log features and natural cabin-style design, it feels warm, simple, and deeply connected to its rural surroundings. Inside, the layout includes 3 bedrooms and a functional living space built around a straightforward country design. It's not about excess, it's about comfort, practicality, and living in tune with the land outside. The bathroom is a 3-quarter setup, keeping things simple and efficient for rural living. Outside, the property includes a detached shed that provides space for tools, equipment, or workshop use. It adds extra functionality for anyone planning to use the land actively. An old-fashioned outhouse also remains on the property, adding a traditional rural touch that reflects the history and simplicity of countryside living. The true value of this property is in the land itself. With over 16 acres, you have endless potential, whether that's hunting, hobby farming, recreation, or expanding the existing setup over time. Wildlife, open fields, and wooded areas all combine to create a natural environment that feels untouched and private. This is not suburban living or a modern development. This is true Pennsylvania countryside living, with space, privacy, and land that gives you freedom to create your own lifestyle. A rare opportunity to own a large rural tract where the land is the main feature, and the lifestyle is completely up to you.